How important is faith and freedom to you?
I think it's absolutely critical. I do believe that our founding fathers were believers. They do have biblically based values in so many of our founding documents. I know that it's easy to look at the blemishes of our nation's history, but no period of time is without blemish. And when we look back at even some of these forgotten documents, there's a great essay. If your audience wants to read it, it's called Constitutional Liberty and Arbitrary Power. And it's by someone who I like to call a forgotten founding father, Dr. Joseph Warren. He was tight with Sam Adams. He for sure would have been part of the Boston Tea Party had he not so bravely died at the Battle of Bunker Hill. And what he talks about in this essay is the importance of, one, just our belief. And he references the Lord so many times. And he talks about the importance of a constitution and how republics in the past that have fallen really turned away from their constitutional law. So I think those two things go hand in hand. And a philosopher from England, John Locke, he always said that we have the right to appeal to heaven. He believed that when law was kind of forsaken, that makes us vulnerable to tyranny. And he believes that the Lord has given us this authority to fight for our freedom. And when we say fight for our freedom, of course, you and I know what that means. That means peacefully, but intelligently, with strength and power, and to exercise our rights. So I do believe that our faith and freedom go hand in hand. And I firmly believe that freedom is a biblical value.